Hello there guys! Today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is a camcorder. You might have heard of these. It's been a long time since they've been popular, but this is one of them that I still own. It's over 15 years old. This is the Sony HDR SR10. It has a 4 megapixel resolution quality, 40 gigabytes built-in hard drive, and at the time that was pretty damn spectacular. It cost about 900 euros or dollars at the time. And I do remember having to work in the supermarket for about 2 weeks to be able to afford it. Stacking shelves, helping customers. And I didn't really like it because, you know, people can be very, very rude and I can't really deal with that too much. I just can't. I don't have the patience for it, I guess. So when I made the money to buy my camera, I quit my vacation job, bought the camera, and I had no more money, spent all my money on the camera, and then I had to make do with my weekly allowance, about 20 euros a week, and that's not much. So guys, what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to shoot some videos with this camera, my 15-year-old camcorder, compare it to my new camera, the Canon EOS R6, and see how it holds up. And yes guys, I know this comparison doesn't make any sense, but yes, it's fun to look back at the history of my old camera. Why? It's just sitting in my room, doing nothing all the time, collecting dust, so it's a good thing to make a video about it. Anyway. Hello there fellas, this is just a simple audio test, testing my new camera, my Canon EOS R6, compared to my 15-year-old camera. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a couple of videos that are gonna be 30 plus days to complete. And should I say which one I'm working on? Yeah, why not? I'm learning the split, front split, side split, and then I'm doing a transformation video from working out at the gym. So a 30-day, day 1, haven't worked out in a year and a half until day 30. So it's gonna be nice to see the progress.